What if I told you that the one thing keeping you trapped with a controlling partner is your own reaction? And what if the secret to taking back control isn't fighting back, but doing the exact opposite? Stay with me, because what I'm about to share will completely change how you handle manipulation. Hey everyone, hope you're all doing well. Today's video is specifically for those of you dealing with partners who try to emotionally control you. And I'm going to share a powerful technique that will help you flip the script on them. It's a reverse psychology method we call the step-back technique. Understanding controlling partners. First, let me explain something crucial. Controlling partners fall into the category of manipulators. They're toxic individuals. And here's what typically happens. When they try to control you, our natural reaction is to push back negatively. Let me give you a clear example. The common scenario. Imagine a controlling husband tells his wife, "From today onwards, you're not going to your mother's house." Now, what would 90% of women do? They'd react, they'd resist. And here's the critical part you need to understand. Your reaction, your resistance, is exactly what feeds the manipulator. When you say things like, "Who are you to stop me? That's my mother's house," that's when they bring up some random incident from the past. They'll say, "Remember that one time I went there and they didn't serve me food properly? They made me wait?" They'll drag you into deeper manipulation because you resisted, you reacted. And like I said, a manipulator's fuel is your reaction. So what should you do instead? Here's where the magic happens. Don't react. Instead, step back and say, "Okay, whatever you think is best, no problem." And here's the cherry on top. Add something like, "You always make good decisions." Now you haven't reacted, but what you've actually done is something far more powerful. You've shattered their ego. You see, for a manipulator, their ego is everything. It's their biggest weakness. What happens next? The moment you break their ego, something interesting happens. After a little while, they'll come back and say, "All right, fine, you can go, but this shouldn't happen again in the future." They'll cover whatever their actual concern was and give you permission anyway. What does this mean? You used wisdom. And if you approach things this way, not only will you avoid unnecessary fights, but things will work out smoothly. Gradually, you'll learn to manage them effectively. Final thoughts. So if you have a controlling partner in your life and you want to handle the situation better, definitely give this technique a try. But if you still have questions or want to share your experience, please drop a comment below. I'll be sure to respond. Thank you for watching.